Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to get Crosshair X for free. So the first step to do is to go to my Mediafire link in the description. This is by me. It's completely safe. There's no viruses. You can put it in virus total if you don't believe me. So click on download, and while I'm waiting for it to download, I'm just going to explain how I did this. I basically unpacked all of the script from Crosshair X and all of the UI, and basically just put it in one Python file, and then I converted it into an exe and I made sure it was stable, and then I made it runnable by using another exe. So just go here, and once it's downloaded, and just right click on it and click extract all. If this is ticked, just untick it. It's not necessary. And then you should see the new folder once it's finished. You can delete grandcrosshair.zip, and then you'll find this. So there's going to be two folders. There's going to be Grand Crosshair and another Grand Crosshair. The second Grand Crosshair you don't need, so just double click on it and then take all of this, drag it up into the first Grand Crosshair. Okay, so it's going to say move to Grand Crosshair. Okay, once it's moved, this is going to say this folder is empty. Click on the first one again, and then this is going to be highlighted. Right click on the highlighted part and then click delete, and then you're done. That's basically pretty much it. So this is everything here. These are all the require, and then yeah, so basically you are gonna need Python for this. So this is all the requirements. You can just read through them. I'll just read them for you. So Python 3.8 is recommended. So basically the way you're gonna install that, I'm gonna leave a link in the description, or you can just look up Python. You go to python.org, and then like downloads all releases, and then download the latest, which is 3.13.6.6. That just download that, and then you're good. Just go through the downloading process. Here, I'll do it just to get it over with and show you guys how it looks. Basically what Python does, it gives you more variety of like codes and commands you can do, and it's like way more expansion and like stuff you can do than batch, if you know what batch is. I have older version, so I'm just gonna click upgrade and wait for it to finish. For you, it's gonna say install Python, and there's gonna be a little thing. Actually, you know what? Cancel. You know what? Let's cancel this. Alright. There, I'm just gonna reinstall it completely just for you guys. Basically, there's gonna be, you make sure to install it with custom installation. So then documentation, you need to check all of these, okay? All of these, or the thing's not gonna work, because you need pip for in the path. So then click next. Alright, so check all of these. These might not be checkable. If they are, check them too. Click next, and then basically precompile standard library. You just check these three. You can check these, I don't know if you have more than one account on Windows, and then it's gonna say create shortcuts for install. You just make sure to, this is the most important, add Python to environment variables. Make sure to have that checked, and then precompile standard library. Click on install. It should be installing. Just wait for it to finish. As I said, Python is a thing that's like an expansion from batch, which is the like basic Windows coding language, and you can't really do much with it. Maybe you can make like one or two scripts that can like open Google or some, but yeah, it's really not that entertaining to do at all. And Python's just gonna help you like level up your game as a coder if you are a coder. Anyway, my Wi-Fi currently is slow. I'm on vacation, so I'm just gonna wait a bit, and I'll skip to when it's finished.
Happened 3 years ago. This restaurant.
Okay, guys, the setup was successful. It should say this. If there's any errors, you can look up some tutorials on YouTube for it. I don't personally have any. I might make some if you guys just comment. You can message me on Discord too. Just comment your Discord username and I'll add you. So once that's done and you have Python installed, go back to your requirements, and then you're basically, this is why the path to make pip was important. Basically, you're just gonna copy this, so Control C, and then you're gonna type in your Windows search bar CMD, okay, and then it should pop up with command prompt, and then just paste this in, and then click enter. I already have it installed, so requirement already satisfied, but you're gonna have to install it. So just don't close the CMD until it says like completed, or look like CMD. It should, when you get your username back, then it's basically completed. That's the simplest way to say it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's not that hard, and now all you have to do is get the downloader. So this is the thing I was talking about. It works with the Crosshair X. So get the downloader, and then it'll say Windows Protect Your PC. This is made by me. It's like a project by me, and it is like really safe. I made it completely safe. It says unknown publisher. That's me. You can see the media file is my files. I just wanted to help people out, and the Crosshair X Crosshair X costing money, I think is like absolutely ridiculous, because it's just a little thing on your screen. Like you can, Crosshair V2 basically does the exact same thing, because you're not going to be making any complicated crosshair with it. But if you want some custom ones, then you have to use Crosshair X. I think it's costing like I think costing $4 is not very fair to anyone. I mean, I'm not spending $4 on something that like it doesn't even help me that much. So click run anyway, and it should load this up, Grand Crosshair, and it says, do you want to launch software, yes or no. If you don't trust it, of course you can click no. I made that option, but you want to click yes, and then click continue. Click on your downloads, or this is where I advise to put it. It's the simplest, and then don't change anything here. Shortcut files, and then don't change the name. Okay, it should say installing Grand Crosshair. It's gonna take like 10 to 15 seconds depending on your Wi-Fi speed. If I were doing this at home, it would be way faster because I'm on vacation right now. Installation complete. You got Crosshair X for free. Don't mind this. I just like I was trying to be funny. Finish at, and then go here and go to your downloads. You should have it installed. Now all you have to do is just double click on it, and then it will run Crosshair X. As you saw on my Steam, I don't have Crosshair X actually installed. Wait, did I show you my Steam? I think I might have showed you. I'm pretty sure I showed you my Steam. Wait, see, I don't have Crosshair. Yeah, no. Wait, yeah, nothing. There's literally nothing. I don't have it installed. And my Epic Games isn't currently logged in, but you can see that it is a Crosshair. See, it is an exe. This is, when you run this, it's gonna install this exe. It's not like the normal Crosshair X app. It's an exe, but it's completely safe. It's like open source code. You can just look through the Python files if you want. And yeah, so you can just launch it. I'll just launch it for you real quick. See, it does everything like the normal Crosshair X. Then, yeah, this is all the crosshairs. Like, I play Fortnite mainly. If you watch my YouTube channel, you would know that. I like to use Mr. Savage crosshair. If it doesn't work, just click on simple overlay mode. And then that's my favorite crosshair, but I don't really use Crosshair X anymore. I just couldn't think of a video, and then I thought of this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, subscribe, maybe consider dropping a like. It'll really help me, because I spent like around 3 days on this project. I really had to get the open source code from GitHub, and then I unpacked it, and then yeah, it took some really long time. I don't know if a lot of you understand that, but you don't have to. It's just only if you enjoyed the video and if it worked for you. So thank you for watching. This is basically how to get Crosshair X for free.